So driving a car without a dash cam, it's kind of like driving a car with no insurance. I mean, think about it. If there is an accident, caused by some idiot while you're driving a car and they blame it's your fault, but it's actually their fault, isn't that like no insurance, right? But if you have a dash cam, you have video proof, then you can prove you're innocent, right? So in this video, I have this Lingdu D100. If interested, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in Protecstation. It's great to see you all. So today I have this Lingdu D100 dash cam. Just want to share to you all. In this video, I will break down in categories. So the first category, I will do a little brief, features about this dash cam, so you know the general features, what kind of features it comes with. Then I will do an unboxing, so you know what does it comes with and what does not comes with. And also I'll do a little simple installation, so to give you a general idea how to install it. And then I will also walk through the basic interface of this dash cam, so you know what kind of features and settings it has. And of course, I will do a pros and con conclusion for this dash cam, so you know what's good and what's not good about the dash cam. And most importantly, will I be keeping this dash cam for my personal use? And also, by the way, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description of this dash cam. So if you're curious, interested, or would like to learn more, please feel free to check it out. And also, if you like the video so far and would like to support the channel, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It really does help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so let's get started and let's get going. This is the Lingdu D100 Smart Dash Cam, featuring a 1440p recording at 2K, and it also has a Wi-Fi transfer, so you can transfer your video files from your dash cam to your mobile phone wirelessly. It also has night vision, and also has a voice control, loop recording, and it also has a parking mode for G sensor, and it also has GPS, so it can document all your mobile recording. Okay, now here comes the unboxing. This is how the box looks like to open it, and let's see. So here comes the dash cam. It's a really nice, simple tube shape design, and this is the front side of the dash cam. Here's a USB port, and there's a big giant Wi-Fi button to turn off and on the Wi-Fi. And then there's USB-C and MicroSD support up to 256. The dash cam can swivel different angles. Okay, so pretty cool. And then here's the tucking tools and the cable organizer clips. Okay, so it's pretty nice touch. They include the tucking tools. And here is the power adapter. So you just plug it into your car charger, and then it powers the dash cam itself. And it comes with additional stickers. And here's the manual that teaches you everything about the dash cam. And also, at last, it comes with two films. Okay, so the films, you just stick it on your glass window, and then when you use the double-sided tape to stick on your glass, you actually stick it on the film. So this is what actually all it comes with. Now for installation, this is the dash cam itself. It's really nice and simple. So you just stick the sticky film, the clear film, to your window, and then stick the dash cam to the film, so it protects it. And then connect the wires, and then use the tucking tool, and then tuck it to the edge of the windows. Okay, keep tucking, finding the edge, and go with the edge, and keep tucking it all the way down, and then to the car charger itself. And download the Lingdu app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and then fire it up. Once you set up the Wi-Fi, you should be able to see the dash cam live view itself. Okay, so here's the live view of the dash cam, and then you can press the view album settings, and then you can play back the videos. Okay, so everything is all wirelessly, pretty real time, so you can play back or download whatever videos that you like. And in the app, you can also choose other settings like stop recording audio, and also change the video resolutions. Is up to 2K for this dash cam. And also there's settings, okay? Settings, you can do more. You can change the video resolution. Loop recording is up to 3 minutes. And then there's a wide dynamic resolution for the video. So it's like HDR. It has exposure, auto recording, G sensor, parking mode. Lots of features. You know, check out all these features. You know, yeah, it's like you can enable like the GPS labeling, the speed of the dash cam, and it also has a time zone that you can set. Pretty cool. Everything's all, you know, in this, you know, app. Just, you know, go through it and play with it and adjust anything to your personal likings. It also has voice command, and these are all the voice command, you know, so you can turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi and all the other good stuff. And to download videos, you just, you know, go to the video, choose a video, and then you can play back or download, okay? So if I choose, let's say, this video itself, here you go, this one, and then just download it, and this is how it looks like, okay? Okay, now it's time for the daytime video samples, okay? So at first glance, the video sample looks pretty nice and clear. It has a 2K video resolution. The sky is really nice and blue and stuff like that. And as you can see, as we are passing by, you can see street signs and, you know, signs, words and stuff like that on the floor. So far so good, okay? So as I cruise down the road right here at this school, and you can see all these cars and stuff. So the video quality is, you know, is really good, you know, for the price that you're paying for this dash cam. And in front of me, there's this car. Let me see if I can pull up the license plate for you guys to check it out, okay? So, as you can see, you can really see the license plate, okay? So this is nighttime footage right here. And then, again, you can see all the business, you know, street signs and all that stuff too. And let me just cruise around the lot. You know, as you can see, at nighttime, even though it's dark, it's pretty well lit up. You know, the night sensor of this dash cam does a really good job for it. As you can see, you're really able to make out all the, you know, businesses, stuff like that, okay? Okay, so in front of me, there's this car that's pulling out, okay? So let me see if I can pull up a license plate for this car once we approach a little bit closer, okay? So let me drive a little bit closer, follow up, and there you go. As you can see, you can clearly see the license plate as well. Okay, now it's time for the pros and cons conclusion for this Lingdu D100 dashcam. Let's go with the pros first. So the first pros of this dashcam that I like is the pricing. You know, the price point of this dashcam is set at a very reasonable starting price. So it doesn't, you know, break an arm and a leg. So for the video quality and the overall package, you know, I think the price is set, you know, very reasonable. Then another pros of this dashcam is the video quality. It has a 2K video quality, you know, even though it's not 4K, 2K, it's actually a pretty well balanced, you know, so it doesn't eat up all your memory, you know, that fast, but you still get a pretty decent video quality. And as you can see, the day and night videos, you know, you can see the license plates, you know, pretty clearly. So definitely it's a pros. And then another pros of this dashcam, it has GPS. So while it's recording, it will actually document the GPS location in the video, so you know exactly where this, you know, video was recorded. So it's a really good handy feature in a very small package. And then another pros of this dashcam, it has a capacitor, not lithium-ion battery. I mean, the pros of a capacitor is it can go on extreme weather condition, like very hot or very cold. Very hot, it doesn't explode like a lithium-ion battery, you know, so you don't want a time bomb, you know, in your car, right? You know, so definitely I like capacitor more than lithium-ion batteries. And then another pros of this dashcam, it has Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi transfer, so you don't have to, pull out the micro SD card and then put it in your computer and do all that other hassle craziness. You can easily transfer your video files from the Dashcam to your phone wirelessly. And then the final pros of this Dashcam is the design. I really dig the designs of Dashcam that is simple, not eye-catching, not very flashy, not very fancy looking, because it will attract other, people to look at your car. And if it's fancy enough, people might break in and just steal the Dashcam instead, So I like Dashcam that is really stealthy, hidden, not intrusive. So definitely I like the design. It's really simple, minimalistic, awesome. Okay, so there are so many pros about this Dashcam. I mean, there's got to be some cons, right? Now it's time for the cons, and the first cons of this Dashcam is the very slow Wi-Fi transfer speed. I gave it a pros because it has Wi-Fi transfer, but the Wi-Fi transfer speed takes a few minutes to transfer video files, okay? So just keep that in mind. It's not going to be instant. You have to wait, even though it's slow, but all of the Dashcam that I've tested before that has Wi-Fi transfer, they all have a pretty similar slow Wi-Fi transfer rate. I really hope it can transfer like, AirDrop or something, or Wi-Fi Direct or something, but it's not near those speeds, okay? So just keep in mind. And then another cons for this Dashcam, it has no physical button on the Dashcam itself. It has a Wi-Fi on and off button, but other than that, everything you have to go through the app to change the settings. I mean, if you set up everything, through the app, it's really easy because, you can customize everything through the app. It's, really handy feature. But I guess there's a pros, everything has a compromise. If you want a very small compact package, of course, there's not going to be buttons, right? So, but it's not too bad. I can live with, scrolling through the apps and adjust the settings, but just keep in mind though, it doesn't have physical buttons, okay? And another cons for this Dashcam, it does not have 4K. I mean, 4K will be nice, but the 2K video actually is, really good enough, so it doesn't really hogs up the memory as much as 4K. But I mean, just nitpicking, if it has 4K, it will be more awesome. And then another nitpicking cons for the charger itself, it does not have an additional USB port that you can, charge your phone or something, so because you plug it into your car charger, it hogs up the whole car charger. So it doesn't leave you an extra port. And so that way you probably have to buy a splitter, okay? So if you're not sure what that means, I will be leaving links on the bottom of the description for splitters, so you probably have to use that. But if you don't need to charge your phone, it's totally fine. Just whatever comes with this is totally fine. Okay, and then the final cons for this Dashcam, another nitpick, is it doesn't come with micro SD card with it, okay? So you have to buy your own micro SD. I guess, they set the price point relatively low with a general pretty good package. So that's why they don't include a micro SD card, I guess, for little cost saving. But if you're not sure what micro SD card to get, I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description as well for you to know. I recommend getting an Endurance micro SD card because those last longer. If you get a regular micro SD card, the read and write lifespan is not too good, okay? So if you use it long enough, it might corrupt the micro SD card faster. So I do recommend using Endurance micro SD cards. So check out the link below and to learn more. Okay, after all the pros and cons conclusion for this Dashcam, the most important question is, will I be keeping this Dashcam for my personal use? And the answer is yes, of course. I mean, I have reviewed so many Dashcam in the past, but this Dashcam package is really nice and simple. So I'll be keeping it for my personal use for my other cars, so if I want a really slim, simple package just to get the job done, definitely I'll be thinking about this Dashcam. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So there you have it. This is the Lingdu D100. If you like the video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and other social media platforms. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.